So now we have few important questions which are left over. First question is cot x log sin x. Now we have to choose one function and another derivative. So if I take cot x as function, there is no derivative like log sin x. But if I take log sin x as function, so what do you get करके देख लेते हैं. If you take this as function, you get derivative as 1 by sin x, and derivative of sin x is cos x, so you get cot x dx, or you simply write, you have taken this f of x as t, so this is what dt by dx is cot x, and the value of dt is cot x dx. So when you put these value in this equation, what do you get? This part is your dt and this is your t, and now take integration, take t square by 2 plus c, and the value of t is log sin x square by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Next question we have sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. So if I put this t, derivative of cos would be sin, so put 1 plus cos x as t, derivative of cos is minus sin x dx is equals to dt. So this gives you minus dt over t square. When you further integrate this, you'll get t to the power minus 2 with negative 1. After integration, you get t power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. This will give you minus plus c. So this will be 1 by t with positive sign, 1 by t, and your t was 1 plus cos x plus c. So this is your answer. Next question is 1 by 1 plus cot x. In this question, there is no function like which I can put as function and get derivative. If I put this as function, there is no derivative for this. So what I can do here, the only basic rule of trigonometry is convert everything into cos and sine. So you'll get sin x plus cos x over cos x dx. Then shift this in numerator, so you'll get cos x over sin x plus cos x dx, right? So now we have discussed a question like this. अगर आप इसको t पुट कर रहे हो, पुट कर लेते हैं, put sin x plus cos x as t, and derivative of sin is cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx is equals to dt. You get this. So I have cos x but I don't have sin x. So what we can do here? If you remember, हमने example किया था ऐसा, क्या किया था? 2 से multiply and divide, and then split this cos x into cos x plus cos x and add sin x as well as subtract sin x, right? Then sin x plus cos x in denominator. So pair these, one with plus, one with minus. So when you pair these and distribute the denominator, cos x plus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, one part. Similarly, second part will be, take half again, cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, right? So you will get this as 1. This is what half 1 dx, and now this is function and this is derivative, so half, this is your t and this is your dt. So answer is half x plus half log modulus of t, but my t was sin x plus cos x. So this is your answer. In next question, this is x, sorry. So now it's function derivative form. How? If you put 1 plus log x as t, you get 1 by x dx is equals to dt. So this part is your dt. So, and this part is your t square, and answer is t cube by 3 plus c, where t is what? T is 1 plus log x cube by 3 plus c. So, this is your answer, right? Another important question, you have to look for function in derivative form. So what we can do here, if I put this as function, put x plus log x as t. So what is your derivative? 1 plus 1 by x dx is equals to dt. But this is not my requirement. I need x plus 1. So multiply and divide this by x. So you get x plus 1 over x dx is equals to dt. Check this, x plus 1 over x, x plus 1 over x. So now this is your function derivative from this, and this gives you dt, and this is your t square. So answer would be again t cube by 3 plus c, and t was x plus log x cube by 3 plus c. Next question, in this if I put tan inverse this as t, so I can get the answer. See how, if I put tan inverse x4 is t, derivative of tan inverse theta is what? 1 by 1 plus tan inverse x का क्या होता है? 1 by 1 plus x square, but I have x4, so this will give you x8 into derivative of this middle function. This middle function is what? dt by dx. Now derivative of this middle function would be x4 का डेरिवेटिव आपका होता है 4x क्यूब dt by dx. अब थोड़ा अरेंजमेंट कर लेते हैं. दिस इज x क्यूब 1 प्लस x8 dx को लेफ्ट साइड लेके आओ और dt by 4. So this value or this value is same, so I can replace this value with dt, and this was my t. So upon 4 भी था आपका, तो 1 by 4 वो dt के साथ था, राइट? सो यू गेट t dt 1 by 4 integration of t is t square by 2 plus c, and your t was tan inverse x4 whole square by 2 plus c. So this is your answer.